Is it clear? Shall we move on? Very good. So I hope that you are getting an idea. Okay, very good. Now move on to the next one. Interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. Now, what are interrogative sentences? Quaternary sentences. Very good. Yes, interrogative वो questions होते हैं in which we are asking something. Now look at the formula and or sentence structure of interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. In interrogative sentences, we use helping verb at the first. Helping verb plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Question mark is a basic thing as we are asking about something, so we use question mark. So, do you remember that we have done an exercise in our textbook, exercise C2? Yes, I hope that you remember it, that in that exercise what we did, we made questions from the simple sentences. So it is somehow like this, but here you have to work according to the formula. So as we learned that two helping verbs are there in simple present tense, do and does. So now here is the situation is also same, just places are different. First we have helping verb do. Now which subjects we can use with do? I, you, we, they. Very good. Now verb sentence is do. For example, I play cricket, question mark. Do I play cricket? So this is a question. Next one is starting from does. You remember that which subjects we are using with this? He, she, it, or any third person singular. So does he play cricket? Question mark. So I hope that you have an idea about interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. It is very simple. You just have to work according to this formula that is given just below the heading. I hope that you can do it. You can take the help from your book as well, that how we can make. So I hope that it is clear to you. Okay, don't worry. We have some examples using sentences. First we have negative sentences. How I make the sentence? We. Now remember that which helping verb we use with we? Very good, we use do. So we do not go to park. Now next one, he. Now remember when we are talking about he, so which helping verb we use? Does. He does not like mangoes. Is it clear? Very good. Now come to the interrogative sentence. And when you are going to write the exemplary sentences, just keep in your mind the basic formula or sentence structure, so you will be able to write the sentence correctly. Okay? Now interrogative sentence example, do you play with us? Question mark. Now see that here the subject is written you and the helping verb is do. Do you play with us? The next one is, does Sarah play cricket? Question mark. So Sarah is a third person singular. So when we are talking about third person singular, we use does. I hope that it is clear to you now. Very good. Now, what is your task? Your task is to make sentences by yourself in your notebook. I hope that you will do it. Inshallah. So I am ending here. Please do complete your task. I hope that you will do it. Inshallah. So I am ending here. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.